Wake up to the ultimate coffee cookies recipe. Hey, coffee lovers! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best of both worlds, delicious treats and the invigorating aroma of coffee. We have a mouthwatering recipe that will satisfy your cravings in the most delightful way. Get ready to indulge in the perfect combination of coffee and cookies. Let's dive right in. Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons instant coffee powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup chocolate chips. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, instant coffee powder, baking powder, and salt. Set aside. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until light and fluffy. You can use a hand mixer or a stand mixer for this step. Add the egg and vanilla extract to the butter mixture and continue to mix until well combined. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Fold in the chocolate chips, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. Using a tablespoon or a cookie scoop, drop rounded portions of dough onto the prepared baking sheet, spacing them about 2 inches apart. Bake the cookies in the preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges are set and slightly firm to the touch. Remove the baking sheet from the oven and allow the cookies to cool on the sheet for 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Once the cookies are completely cooled, serve and enjoy with a hot cup of coffee or your favorite beverage. And there you have it, folks. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee combined with the irresistible sweetness of our coffee cookies. They are a match made in heaven. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to be the first to know when we bring you more coffee-inspired delights. Share your experience with us in the comments below. Until next time, keep brewing, keep baking, and keep enjoying life's caffeinated pleasures. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.